Did you know the Bimini Twist can be used for terminal tackles? Watch on to learn more. We call this the mini Bimini Twist knot. Start by threading the line through the eye of the hook or a swivel. Then, double the line into a loop. Carefully hold onto both the leader and the tag end with one hand, like so. With your finger, start to twist the loop multiple times, making sure to angle the tackle at the bottom so it stays within the smaller loop created. Do this for about 13 to 15 twists. Once completed, insert your middle and ring fingers into the smaller loop. Now gradually start to expand the smaller loop while holding onto the tag end. Adjust the tag end so that it is perpendicular and slightly leading towards your terminal tackle, in this case, a hook. Gradually start to open the angle of the loop, which will condense the twist towards the tag end. By doing this, it will cause the tag end to wrap around the twisted line. Continue this process until the tag end covers all of the twisted line. While holding onto the created twists, wrap the tag end through the open loop 3 times. Then, start to pull the standing line while holding onto the terminal tackle to bring the knot towards it. Make sure you keep the tag end free and snug the knot up against the eye of the hook. Do a final cinch, and you may trim the excess tag end. You have just learned how to do the mini Bimini twist knot, securing your hook or swivel extremely securely. Check out our hundreds of tutorial videos on our channel and subscribe for daily new knots, tips, and tutorials. Catch all of you on our next one.